Good day, this is the Professor, drwillphd, PhD, and today's Friday, September 9th, 2022. It's 6:01 and 18 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, vision loss. So let's hop to it here. How a single protein could unlock age-related vision loss. Date September 7th, 2022. Source, Sanford Burham Prebees. Researchers are helping to reveal the molecular secrets of macular degeneration, which causes almost 90% of all age-related vision loss. Proteins in the blood are under constant and changing pressure because of different ways blood flows throughout the body. For example, blood flows more slowly through small blood vessels in the eyes compared to larger arteries around the heart. Blood proteins need to be able to respond to these changes, and this study gives us fundamental truths about how they adapt to their environment, which is critical to targeting those proteins for future treatments. There are hundreds of proteins in our blood, but the researchers focus on vitronectin, one of the most abundant. In addition to circulating in high concentrations in the blood, vitronectin is found in the scaffolding between cells. There is also an important component of cholesterol. Vitronectin is a key player in many age-related diseases, but for the research team, the most promising target is macular degeneration, which affects as many as 11 million people in the United States. This number is expected to double by 2050. And this protein is an important target for macular degeneration because it accumulates in the back of the eye, causing vision loss. And similar deposits appear in the brain of Alzheimer's disease and in the arteries of atherosclerosis. Researchers want to understand why this happens and leverage this knowledge to develop new treatments. And to approach this question, the researchers were interested in learning how the protein changes its structure at different temperatures and under different levels of pressure, approximating what happens in the human body. And by determining the structure of a protein is the most important part of determining its function. And through detailed biochemical analysis, the researchers found that the protein can suddenly change its shape under pressure. These changes cause it to bond more easily to calcium ions in the blood, which the researchers suggest leads to the buildup of calcified plaque deposits, characteristic of macular degeneration and other age-related diseases. It is a very subtle rearrangement of the macular structure, but it has a big impact on how the protein functions. The more we learn about the protein on a structural and mechanistic level, the better chance we have of successfully targeting it with treatments. And these structural insights will streamline the development of treatments for macular degeneration because it will allow researchers and their partners in the biotech industry to custom design antibodies that selectively block the protein's calcium binding without disrupting its other important functions in the body. It will take some time to convert it into a clinical treatment, but researchers hope to have a working antibody as a potential treatment in a few years' time. And since this protein is so abundant in the blood, there may be other exciting applications for this new knowledge that we don't know about yet. Good day, this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.